Good afternoon, morning, evening to all delegates from around the world. Good evening to Secretary DOP, Madam Aparna. In fact, we are privileged to have with us here, and she is one of the greatest champions of quality for us. Dr. A.K. Pradhan, Joint Drug Controller, CTSU. Dr. Sarah Macmillan, Country Director, India Office, US FDA. We have got Nilesh Gupta, MD Lupin, and also the chair of IPA Quality Forum, Dr. Montu Patel, President, Pharmacy Council of India, distinguished speakers, regulators, members from academic community and media, and also industry colleagues. I welcome all the participants to the 8th Advanced GMP Workshop 2023. This workshop is the flagship event on good manufacturing practices of the Indian Pharma Alliance, which serves as a knowledge-sharing platform for industry, academia, and regulators on matters which are central to achieving quality excellence. We have 1,500 participants registered for this workshop, which shows the immense interest as far as this workshop is concerned. And this is just after Global Quality Forum, which we had in January, and which also shows the commitment of the Indian industry to take the quality agenda to the next level. In this workshop, we have 9 sessions and 25 speakers from around the globe, including senior officials of US FDA, MHRA, and CDSU. Beside regulators, several experts in quality from industry and consultants have been invited as speakers for the event. This workshop has grown from strength to strength over the years. We have been constantly learning from each event we have been doing over the years and incorporating latest in the field. This year, we have included sessions on learning from other sectors and also incorporated generative AI to help us to get to the next level. We also get the best speakers from around the world, and we are pleased that we have got McKinsey as partner, and we have 2 of our distinguished colleagues, Shirish Belapure and Rajiv, who are practitioners in the field and try to get the best from the industry around the world to make these sessions very enlightening for our speakers as well as for the participants. In the run of pharmaceuticals, fostering a robust quality culture is paramount. Good manufacturing practices ensure regulatory compliances and foster stakeholder trust. Best practices in quality underscores the industry commitment to excellence. The integration of general artificial intelligence is set to drive transformative changes, optimizing not only quality control, but also the other areas in manufacturing. Future readiness will lie in digitalization, adopting patient-centric approaches, and conducting operations with a sustainable and quality mindset. In this section, we have also best practices to handle 483 observations. We have got sessions on data integrity, which also will make the workshop highly practical and relevant to all the practitioners. I'm sure you will find this workshop very exciting, inspiring, and insightful, as was told in the Ranjana. I wish all the very best to all the participants for the workshop. Thank you very much.